Upon initial reading of the sentence in question number 30, I really did like the word use, but whom just sounded strange to me. You never want to just trust your ear, you want to know why things are the way they are so you can be 100% sure and accurate. Paring down the sentence, the first clause I eliminated pretty quickly, but then the thing that really tricked me was that the subject of the sentence, people, comes towards the end, and that's why it's a tricky sentence. So reorganizing this into a sentence that made sense to me was kind of difficult. But here's what it looks like. People whom use co-working spaces are resources. If you notice in the original, people comes kind of towards the end, but actually people is the subject. And then people are resources. What do? They are resources. People is a plural subject. There's lots of people. So that's why if it's plural, you have to use the plural form of use. Use, not uses. It would be wrong to say people uses co-working spaces are resources. And so that's why it eliminates B and C. That's agreement between subject and verb. And then people is a subject. It's the people who we're talking about in this sentence. So because it's a subject, you use people who, not people whom. If it were the object, then you could use whom. But this sentence is tricky because people comes last, even though it's the subject. We usually put subjects first. In my reorganized simplified sentence, people comes first because it's the subject. People who use co-working spaces are resources. So it, at the same time, tests agreement and pronouns. Who is a pronoun, and you have to choose the right one. Don't choose whom, and don't choose uses for agreement reasons. If you can get agreement and pronouns down correctly, then you'll choose people who use co-working spaces are resources. And that's why answer choice D is the answer. You have to figure out that people is a plural subject.